Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 9, that is Introduction to Excel 2016. We have already discussed about Microsoft Excel, what is Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, and we have discussed about the features of Microsoft Excel 2016. In today's video, you will be learning how to open MS Excel. As you can see, this is a spreadsheet present on your desktop, and this is how Microsoft Excel looks. So I will be teaching how to open it. So for opening it, what we need to do is we will be going to start button. From here we will be typing Excel, EXCEL. Once you have typed Excel, then we can click on Microsoft Excel 2010. Then what will happen? Like this, the Microsoft Excel book will appear in front of us. So this is how Microsoft Excel look like. Now, I will be discussing few of the things which you already know, like first tab that is present is File tab. You already know what are the uses of File tab, like we can save a worksheet, we can save as, means if you want to save a same worksheet with a different name, then we will use save as. If you want to open the saved worksheets, then we will go for open. If you want to close it, then we will go to close. Recents are the recent work which we do. New, from here we can open a new worksheet or sample. Print, from print option we can print any of the worksheet if required. Save and send, if you want to share it or save it as PDF, or there are many options, then you can do it. If you want to share it from the Bluetooth, or so many options are there, then we can do it. From here, help, if there is any help needed, then you can go directly and read the options. Options, some advanced features are present in the Excel. And last one is exit. Exit is for closing the Microsoft Excel. So I think these are the same things which you would have seen in MS Word or MS PowerPoint. It is very similar. So now we will discuss about the tabs, like Home tab. You would be familiar with the word Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, Formula tab. Data is a new tab for you here, and Review also. And View is also the previous tab which you have studied. So these are the few tabs which are required when we use Excel or when we make any worksheet. So here, this where the book to Microsoft Excel is written, this is the title bar. This is the title bar. This area is the ribbon area, and these ribbon area are divided into groups, like Home tab. Home tab is having different groups like clipboard group, Insert tab, tables, illustration, charts, spark lines. These are groups, means these are tabs and these are groups. They are divided into groups, और उस groups में क्या होता है, different options होते हैं. ठीक है? So these are different groups. In each tab you will see different group, है ना? In each tab we will find some different group, and we will choose the group or options according to our need. Now this box which you see, that is the name box where it is written A1, that is name box. Like in your class, if there are many students, then all the students, they are having different name. So to recognize all the students, what we teachers are doing, we are calling them with a different name, है ना? Whatever name you have been given. Like, so similarly here you can see the name box. Here is the formula bar. Here we need to type. Whatever we type, that will be visible in the cell. Now what is cell? This intersection of row and column make the cell. These rectangular boxes which you are seeing, this is cell. ये सब सारा क्या है? These are cell, है ना? And each cell, they are having different name. Like if I click here, then you see what is the name of the cell? D2, means each cell is having different name, isn't it? See, I'm clicking here, different name. Clicking here, different name. Now, how these names are given? For that, we need to understand what are the rows and what are the column. Horizontal row and vertical columns. Horizontal means from right to left. This ये area क्या है? Horizontal. These are horizontal. A, B, C, D. ये सब क्या है? Horizontally. Vertical, up to down, like this. तो ये क्या है? Vertical. So what happens when this horizontal and vertical lines intersects, then they make cell. वो क्या बनाते हैं? They make cell. तो इस एक बॉक्स को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Cell. And you are seeing a black pointer that is everywhere wherever I am clicking. This pointer is known as cell pointer. This pointer is known as cell pointer, and it is also known as active cell. It is also known as active cell. This is known as cell pointer, as well as it is known as active cell. ठीक है, तो इसको हम लोग दो नाम से जानेंगे. यू कैन से आइदर एज सेल पॉइंटर और यू कैन से एज एक्टिव सेल. और हमेशा याद रखो, विच एवर cell you are selecting, only in that cell you can write, है ना. That's why it is said as active cell, है ना. जिस भी cell में हम लोग active है, that is known as active cell. Like here we have the cell pointer, है ना, cell pointer option. The black border portion is the cell pointer. Now here are horizontal rows and vertical column. So do not get confused in horizontal rows and vertical column. This area A, B, C, D, E, F, G, है ना, these are known as, what are these known as? They are known as horizontal rows. These are rows. एंड दिस सेक्शन, जब इसको ऐसे सेलेक्ट करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? कॉलम्स. ठीक है. सो व्हेन दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल रो एंड वर्टिकल कॉलम इंटरसेक्ट्स, इट मेक्स cell. Always remember, my dear children, this is very important for you to understand that what is cell. Horizontal row and vertical column. Okay, horizontal row and vertical columns. This is how a cell is being formed. So these are the few components of MS Excel. This complete section I will be calling as spreadsheet, or you will be listening from me as worksheet. इसको worksheet भी बोलते हैं and it is also known as spreadsheet, है ना. This section, है ना. Now here you see there is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, है ना. Now these are what? These are like pages. Like in presentation what we were doing, there were different slides, है ना. और जब सारा slide मिलता था तो क्या बनता था? Presentation. Similarly here, जब यहाँ पे अलग अलग sheets बनते हैं तो ये क्या बनाता है? एक book बनाता है. So when different worksheets combine, then it makes workbook. Like here default में there are 3 worksheets, sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number 3. So we can do different work in different sheets. Like this is sheet 1. In sheet 2 I will be doing some other work, है ना. In sheet 3 I will be doing some other work, है ना. So it's not like that you can do only in one sheet. You can use any of the sheets, है ना, because by default there are many sheets, and we can add also as per our requirement. We can add the sheets also as per our requirement. Now these were the components, and here we have the zoom in. यहाँ से हम लोग zoom in out कर सकते हैं, इसको छोटा कर सकते हैं, as well as यहाँ पे इसको क्या कर सकते हैं? बड़ा कर सकते हैं as per our requirement. So my dear children, this was MS Excel and the explanation of components. I hope you would have understood. Please go through book also once to make it more clear. Those who all have the laptops or computers at home, they can do it and understand the components. Thank you, my dear children.